Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Moving forward with our session today, administrative notifications. As an administrator, you will receive a lot of notifications from NetSuite, and there are multiple types of notifications that you receive from NetSuite from time to time. Let's see what are those notifications. Again, I'll go into setup. I have set up company, and if I scroll down here, you have your administrative notifications. If I click on this, you will see that there are typically 5 types of notifications that you can get from NetSuite. There are administrative notifications. There are billing notices, legal notices, scheduled maintenance and service release notifications. Alright, and now as an administrator, you will be receiving all these notifications. This is mandatory that as an admin, you will receive all these notifications. But let's first understand the purpose of all these notifications. What is an administrative notification? Administrative notification is any notification that NetSuite is going to send you whenever there is a particular change in a feature or a functionality that NetSuite is trying to introduce now. Let's say there is an enhancement in a particular feature. Let's say the order to cash process. They are introducing a new feature only for that particular, order to cash process. It's going to be part of your administrative notifications. And now, let's say as an administrator, you are going to receive this notification, but you also want that any notifications related to NetSuite features should also be received by your IT team or maybe by your functional consultant team, internal functional consultant team. What you can do is you can set those recipients here. Let's say Bob is my NetSuite functional consultant and he should receive all the administrative notifications coming from NetSuite apart from myself. I'm going to set Brandy and Bob as my, recipients as well. Now what will happen is that along with the administrators, these administrative notifications would also be received with Bob and Brandy. Since these are my functional consultants, they should be aware of all the administrative changes that are coming into NetSuite. You can select Send Email. When you select that email, NetSuite will also email this notification to them. And then when they log in with NetSuite, you will see that there is a before login. NetSuite would ask you to read that change in the notification and accept that to confirm that you have read it, and then it will allow you to go into your home page. This is what it means with required each recipient to accept. You have to accept that you have read it and then you can go in your home page. Both the options are available. That's not an administrative notification. And then you have your billing notices. Based on the subscription that you have purchased from NetSuite, NetSuite will also send you some reminders if you haven't paid any bills or any invoices. Now, these are typically for the accounting team, right? You might want your accounting team to receive any billing notices. You can add them in the recipients here. Let's say this guy Amy is basically my accountant person or CFO, and they should receive all the billing notifications as well. I can select them as my recipients. You see the concept here. For each type of notification, you can select your relevant audience who should be aware of those changes or those notices. Does that make sense? Yes. Right. Awesome. And then you have your legal notices or notifications. On time-to-time basis, there might be some changes in the terms of the contract of NetSuite that they might notify you. And now let's say, if you have a legal team that is reviewing all those terms and contracts related conditions, you might add your legal team here to read any legal notifications coming from NetSuite. And same goes for scheduled maintenance. On time-to-time basis, on monthly basis, weekly basis, there might be some scheduled maintenance coming from NetSuite during which your account would not be available. Usually, it's for an hour or 2 hours that there is a scheduled maintenance happening behind for server or for application update. In those times, NetSuite is not available. If you want to intimate any internal teams about this scheduled maintenance, maybe your operational team or all the users in your organizations, you can select all of them here. Whenever there is a scheduled maintenance, they are aware of the fact. And then it does not create any chaotic situation in the organization that NetSuite is not working and all that stuff. Right? You can do that as well. And then you have your service release notifications. As you are aware that NetSuite would on biannual basis, there are 2 releases that happens per year. Whenever there is a new release coming, you can have that notification to yourself. As an admin. But you can also select the relevant recipients that should be aware of all those releases. Maybe it could be your development team that should be aware of any new releases that could impact any potential customizations. Or it could be your functional team. Or it could be any person who is interested in those release notifications. You can set your recipients. The gist of telling you this is that NetSuite has notifications. And here, coming on this page, you can select the recipients or the relevant audience for each notification. Alright, and then these are the options. And then you have the confirmed ones. Here you can see the list of people who have already confirmed these notifications. Brenda Jones confirmed the scheduled maintenance notification when she logged in on this date and this time. And this is the type of message that you receive from NetSuite. Like, a scheduled maintenance downtime for evening or this. And you will not be able to access the account and all that information. Here I can see that these are the people who have actually confirmed all these notifications. And these are the people who haven't confirmed, You will have something in pending information, which means that the user has still not accessed the NetSuite account and was not able to confirm that notification. All that information is also captured here in this Confirm tab. Confirmed actually assures you that this person has actually read the notification that came from NetSuite, if that makes sense. Alright, awesome. Any questions on the administrative notifications? These notifications we are supposed to get through email also, right? That's right. You can get it via email as well, if you select the option as to be emailed here. Send email. If you mark this as send email, you will get this in your Outlook or Gmail as well. And when you select require each recipient to accept, this means that you have to. Whenever you will log in with NetSuite, you type your email address and password. The first thing that will show up will not be your dashboard. But if this is going to be this notification, and then you have to accept that notification and mark them as read, and then you can jump on your home page. That's how it works. Alright. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.